with you, baby. You're a big baby. Big one.
She's up?
Yes, she's.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, cry, mama, cry.
Oh, yes?
She has time. She has 1 minute.
Hello. Come on, catch. Good baby. Yes.
Oh my God.
Great.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, my house is full of family. Look at my hair haven't combed from morning. My hair is full. My house is full of family. My cousins are here from London, and my house is just busy. It's full of kids, it's full of noise, but I wouldn't have it any other way, because as you guys may or may not know, that I don't have any family here in France. And when I get a chance to have my family here with me, whether cousins, sisters, brother, mother, friend, whoever it is come, it's always a good time. And the cousins that are here came here 2 years ago, and they are back now. They're all grown up and everybody's so mature now and stuff. So Tyler will be in heaven for the entire summer. They'll be here for the entire summer, until they head back home to the UK just before time for school. So Tyler will be in heaven for the next few weeks. You guys, early morning and my cousin's in the kitchen. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Morning.
She making
Woman without great.
She making cornmeal porridge the Jamaican way. You guys, let me tell you how Jamaican she is. How Jamaican she is. She carry her, wait there, let me show you. She carry her cinnamon leaf, because I don't have any cinnamon leaf. And she carry her nutmeg. Where's the nutmeg? She carry her nutmeg, and what happened?
No grater.
I don't have any grater.
Don't have a grater.
Because I have powder nutmeg, I don't need grater.
It's not the same thing. It's not made cousin.
So we battling right now. And the next thing she carry from London.
Oh yes.
She carry her Dutch pants.
No.
You guys, she carry her Dutchie because I don't have Dutchie. And she need Dutchie to fry her chicken a specific way.
Which Dutch?
Which Jamaican don't have Dutchie?
You have to have Dutchie grater, because if the nutmeg don't have on, can you see it? These on it and a nutmeg.
She said my nutmeg. She couldn't stop laughing when I showed her my nutmeg. She don't want anything to do with that. Hey, 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 hey.
White people.
Hey, Yan! So she cooking porridge. Your girl don't have to be in the kitchen. She's here gonna cook for 3 weeks. I shall be out the kitchen. 4 weeks. 4 weeks. And now I'm gonna show you guys the kids. Hi, Demario.
Hello.
So this is Demario. If you guys watched the vlogs 2 years ago, you guys would have seen all of them.
Has it actually been that long?
Yes, it has been that long. So this is the eldest, and this is my little diva. And that's Rowena. That's the only girl. All right, who else I'm gonna show? Show Kian and Richard. Tyler is of course in heaven. Ty, say morning to the face.
Morning, Steve.
Tyler is in cousin heaven right now. And this is Kian. Hi, Kian.
Mama,
Hey, Kian. That's my fatty boom boom. That's my fatty. And if you guys remember in the vlog 2 years ago, it was Kian and Tyler that was crying. But now everybody's all grown. And that is Richard. Lovely Richard. So everybody's in heaven. They're in cousin heaven and diva heaven. And every kind of heaven. So this is what the house will be like for the next 4 weeks. All up, having fun. Everyone listen to me. Tyler is talking. Let's play hide and seek, but mama room is off limits, okay?
Is it because of the baby? Okay, you
Oh my god, this is gonna be fun for weeks. You hear them screaming and running? Marian, you hear them playing hide and seek?
Why you make them start hide and seek so early?
Me make them. Tyler says it's time for hide and seek, so it's time for hide and seek.
Oh dear.
Anyway, you guys, yeah, I'm sleeping. Okay. The door's closed. So yeah, my cousin is making porridge for breakfast.
Oh, they teaching you to come down.
So if you guys see me put on weight for the next few days, then that's the reason for it.
Baby sleeping.
And Princess is here sleeping. She sleeps through any noise, you guys, no worries. Look at them, look at them.
Not in the curtain, guys.
Oh, the Mario need to come from outside so they don't have to go outside, in and out, in and out.
Please, so.
You find Greta?
Pregnancy brain. She have one.
So she get to Greta or nutmeg?
My good nutmeg. You had nutmeg. I have the good.
Hilarious. Look at all these kids in my house. Oh my gosh. Yes. So my cousin made me porridge. I am going to love this life for the next 4 weeks. I'll be just serving food, okay? Look how yummy that looks. Now.
Yes, because that titty dry up. And it's smelling it again. Hey, tell her you're a good girl, aren't you? Yes. You see how quiet she get? You see how quiet? Yes.
One more.
Hi. Hello. You finally...
She's just staring at you like.
She's thinking, I've heard this voice for so
Every day.
long. Every day.
Sarah, is the breast milk why you getting these bumps? The heat.
The heat and then the breast. Hey, Babs, look at that.
Oh.
You ain't hungry. I know you just came off it. Are you tired? Are you tired? That's a good girl. See, you're only whining when mommy's got you. Because I can smell the breast milk. But you ain't got none. Yeah. You see she not whining? Because she's smelling the when you have her, she's smelling breast milk, so she's constantly
Right.
So she ain't smelling nothing.
And Marian take her and look at her like, okay, who is this?
Yes.
You ain't got my titty.
She's probably thinking, I can't smell nothing.
Exactly.
What's up? Where is it?
Kids outside. They're outside playing.
Hello, sweetie. Hello. Yes. You finally put a face to the voice, eh? Yeah.
Right now, babe and my eldest cousin is gone to do some shopping because she have so many kids. She have to shop supermarket, big cute supermarket shopping. So she came and they're gone to the supermarket to get some goodies for the kids. So they'll be back in a bit. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys throughout the day, and hopefully you guys will be enjoying the few vlogs that you'll be getting with the fam bear and the cousins and stuff like that. Anyway, you guys, baby girl is here. She's sleeping right now in front of me, and of course she sleeps through all the noise. She's not afraid of noise, and the kids really stay and play in Tyler room most of the time, so that's good. Let me show you guys her sleeping right now. There she is, big girl, milk junk, sleeping. And the good thing about having my cousin here is that I don't have to touch the kitchen. The only way I'll touch the kitchen is if when she cook Jamaican things. Babe don't want it. But she'll be cooking. She cooked this morning, made me breakfast, and she's gonna come back to make me lunch. And y'all, she bring me chicken foot, which I cannot get in France, and she bring me curry goat, which I cannot get in France. So that is amazing. So she'll be cooking curry goat for me, and she'll be cooking stewed peas today, which I'm looking forward to so much. Baby girl is crying, so I gotta go.
2 hours walking and changing.
3 hours worth of shopping. They finally got back, and she's back in the kitchen cooking. What you cooking? Tell him what you're cooking.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Cabbage and corned beef. Quick.
And white rice.
And white rice, yes. Quick food. Everybody hungry, so.
So she have her
As
cabbage,
quick as.
her dochi,
I leave
and
my
her rice going.
Yes, I cook the rice
going.
on the stove. Old stove.
We're in Jamaican. Me tell everybody, you know, the only thing I'm happy about, well, not the only, but the main thing I'm happy about she being here, I don't have to cook. I don't have to cook. I don't have to cook.
Thank God, so we don't mind. Thank God, so we don't mind cooking.
Exactly.
Thank God, so
So she been cooking. Well, birds of a feather flock together, cause that would be me all day, every day, cooking, stay cooking. Yeah. Thailand Rowena is outside. I opened the door and the heat just hit me head on like this. Jeez.
What did tomato them there?
What is that Marianne have in her hand? Go and look. Go. No, look at it. Go closer. What is that? Look at it. What is that? It's chicken foot. It's the foot of the chicken.
Look, can you see the nail?
You see it?
See? Don't worry, I'm taking off the nail. Look. Look. Come on, look. Come on. Look. See? All the baby nails. See?
I have been dying for chicken foot. Like literally. And my cousin brings chicken foot all the way from London. For me. Look how the big and pretty. And as early as the morning is she cooking. Say morning.
Morning.
With the sleep was morning. Okay, so what is this? Mutton? Okay, so mutton is here.
Pigtail boy.
And she's calling pigtail. And peas pressuring and chicken foot. Okay, before I tell you guys what she's gonna make, comment down in the comment section and see if you guys can guess what she's gonna make. Alright, now she making stew peas, but in her stew peas she put in 3 different meat. I've never had stew peas with mutton before, so this is gonna be my first time having stew peas with mutton. Yes, the cooking is going down. Look how nice the mutton look, Jesus. And yes, she brings the mutton all the way from London too. Because I can't get the, and the pigtail. Yes, I can't get that here. Let me turn on the light so you guys can see. So you pressure the peas first and then you're gonna...
Yes. Scald the pigtail.
Okay, but the mutton, you don't cook the mutton with the peas?
Yeah, but the peas have to sink, innit? I'm just sinking.
Oh, so you're just sinking the peas first. Interesting.
Then this has to scald before it then. So after we scald this.
So you're scalding it just to get off the salt, right? Okay. And you put it in and the mutton at the same time?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
At the same time, so the pressure for the mutton is a bit harder.
Okay. I'm definitely going to let Babe taste the pigtail and the chicken foot, but I know he won't be a fan because of the texture of the pigtail and the chicken foot, but he'll eat the mutton. Yeah, so this shall be an interesting vlog to see him taste testing those. I shall catch him on camera.
I can imagine the chicken.
I shall catch him on camera.
The chicken would have that much meat on it, so he's probably going to be confused.
Exactly, and because of the texture of it, It kind of mushy for him. Just like him don't like cow food. So you know him more like chicken food. But I shall see his facial expression. You guys, Tupi's look lit. Marian, no, she make me go on. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Can you share mine because I'm hungry?
You want yours?
Yeah. I'm just gonna eat breakfast.
Alright, it's babe time to eat chicken food. This looks so yummy. Alright, let me share some for babe. The chicken food, want it just
Terrible.
Come, just try one of these. Come.
You say you don't like
They call it delicacy. So
it looks like
it kinda ish.
I don't know what it means, but how?
For him, I know what he means when he say that.
Nobody
You
can.
see, you don't die, and bone is in it. It's all bones,
Oh,
honey.
you want me to eat bone? I don't eat bone.
You see, you're not dying. How is it?
I can't enjoy something that I've boned every 1 second.
Well, that's what we really enjoy about it, the
Do you
bones.
understand what I'm saying?
I know you're not gonna like it because it has too much bones.
Yeah, I can just set the meat. I just set the
All right, taste the pigtail,
What is pigtail?
the one in the middle.
That?
Yes.
The fat? Do I eat the side or?
No, you don't have to eat the fat. Let me take off the fat for you. Because all this is fat. It's pork, honey. There you go.
You just say it's chicken.
No, it's pigtail, pig.
Okay, now what I mean is when
How is it?
someone tries to do what you
All right, taste the mutton now.
as well as
You look like you like the pigtail because I'm going back.
Yeah, but you have the same in French. Yeah, but it's more
Pigtail, where you get pigtail from in French, in France?
salty.
It is the same thing, but I've never seen it here. You forget I carried from Jamaica? Well, the mutton should be fine.
yeah, mutton.
No?
What's special about the mutton and the goat that I give you? Apart from the goat that I give you,
Which goat you give me?
the mutton.
That's not mutton, that's sheep. It's different. No, it's different.
Let me enjoy.
No, why give me lamb? Anyways, how was it?
No, that was fine.
Okay, good.
But I need some gravy on the rice.
I like dry food that you share with the man. With the peas and the dumpling and what's this?
When you look at the plate, it looks like soup.
Exactly. This should be like soup. Thank you.
No,
See?
it shouldn't be like so.
It should be like soup.
I
like
this.
You took your weight before she came.
What she used to take up with him. That's why you're not getting no gravy. You should use a big spoon.
You guys, oh my gosh, look at my face. Can you guys tell that all I have been doing is sleeping? I have been sleeping non-stop. I've been resting like crazy, especially today. Baby girl is awake. There she is. Let me show you guys her. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello face. Hello face. Say hello everybody. She just woke me up. She just woke me up. I hear her little cries, but I think she wants to go back to sleep. I think she's trying to poop too. Everybody's out today. They've been out all day really. They gone to the playground and they'll be there all day, making me have extra time with my girl and extra rest. Though when they're home and I'm in my room, it doesn't bother me. But yeah, they've been out with babe all day and I am resting. I just woke up and about to eat. But when your cousin is home and you don't have to cook, there is food. But Lord knows that I need to go easy on all this food that she's cooking. So she made stewed peas earlier, and that's mine. I'm about to dig in right now. Everybody else ate before they left home. So, and I had just taste the pot. So now I'm definitely gonna eat and let my boo-boo go back to sleep. Yeah. So that's what's going on. Hopefully be able to vlog a little bit so you guys will see what they're up to while they're out. But while I'm home, I'm gonna eat and get right back to the bed. It's good to have my cousin home. I can say that. It's really good.
Hey guys, I'm actually at the playground with Tyler and the other kids. I don't know where they are exactly, but they are somewhere in the area. It's a lot of noise here, a lot of kids screaming, running, and yeah, having fun. So let's see if I can show you. I'm going to try to show you where they are. I'm going to have to find them. Let's take a look. Where are you going? Alright, let's go find them.
And then when they're running, let's chase them.
Alright.